Hello everyone, welcome back to the another project idea video series in Codersarts. So basically, in this project idea, we are going to discuss and going to create a new application known as the hospital management system. In this, we are going to manage all the data of the hospital and all the patient data. So it is basically a path of efficient patient data management system. So let's move to the introduction part. So in introduction, we can see the name of the project that we are going to provide is the hospital management system. Now, what is the objective of creating this application? So the basic objective to develop an Android application for the hospitals and clinics and efficient manage to store the patient data. And who are our target audience? Target audience are basically doctors, hospital staffs, and the patients. So let's move to the key features. So what's the market overview and the problem statement that currently we are going to face if we are facing in the current management system? So in current challenges, we can see we have the inefficient management and the storage of the patient data. So basically, we have the inefficient management of securing the data of patients. So excessive paperwork. We can see that there is a lot of paperwork included in the hospital things, and a lot of tests is going happen to happen for a single patient. So excessive paperwork and the manual processes in hospital, so we can going to secure it. And difficulty in sharing the patient data among all the healthcare professionals. So we can see, like, if we get some test result, we are just take this paper to the doctor and other healthcare professionals. So this is very hectic thing that the patient is going to face. So what is the solution for it, like that we are going to provide? We are going to create the hospital management system that address these issues and providing a centralized digital platform for the patient data management. So let's move to the key feature that we are going to provide. So what is the key feature? Basically, we are going to create a patient data management. First of all, we are going to store and manage the patient information, medical history, and the treatment record. Secondly, we are going to create a dashboard for the doctors. So that the access to the doctor can access to the patient data, appointments, schedules, and the treatment plans they have. What the treatment plans they have. And thirdly, we are going to provide the appointment scheduling, and we are going to integrate a calendar system for scheduling the appointment for the patient. So patient can book the appointment and receive the reminders as well. And fourthly, we are going to create the electronic health records like EHR. We are going to secure storage and the easy access to the patient record. And then after, we are going to create a data sharing. We are going to facilitate and secure the sharing of the patient information among the healthcare professionals. We are going to create the billing and payment system. We are going to integrate it via using the Razorpay or any other payment gateway. So we are going to add the managed billing process and enable online payment system as well. And next, we are going to create the reporting and the analytics. So generate reports on the patient data, treatment, and the hospital operations. And last but not the least, we are going to provide the key feature of notification and alert. We are going to send the reminder and appointments, medication, and taking the follow-up with the patients. So let's move to the next part. So what is the implementation plan that we are going to create during the creation of the application? First is the user interface design, UI design. We are going to develop a user-friendly and intuitive interface for the easy navigation and the information access. And secondly, we are going to create a backend for it. We have a team of backend as well. So we are going to create a backend, set up a secure database for storing the patient information and the medical records. We are going to integrate the features for the appointment scheduling, data sharing, and the billing. We are going to implement these features in the backend as well. And for front end, we are going to implement the user interface using the framework like React Native or Kotlin according to our requirement. So Android is basically preferred for Kotlin, so we are going through with the Kotlin. And the fourth thing that we are going to conduct a testing. So testing is a very important phase for any of the application. So we are going to conduct through testing for the functionality of the usability and security. At last but not the least, we are going to provide a deployment, and we can going to launch our application to the Google Play Store with the ongoing supports and the updates. So these are the basic implementation plan we are following for creating this hospital management application. So what is the benefits here? There is a lot of benefits in the future scopes as well. So the first benefit for the doctors, they are streamlined access to the patient data, reduce the paperwork and efficient management of appointments. For the patient, easy access to the medical records, appointment scheduling and the online payments. And for the hospitals, we are going to improve the data management, reduce the administrative cost and enhance the operational efficiency as well. What is the future enhancement here? The future enhancement, we are going to integrate the AI, predictive analytics and the personalized treatment plans. Expansion to include the telemedicine and features for the remote consultation. And as we can see, a lot of application currently in the market is also going to provide this feature, like expansion to include the telemedicine features as a remote consultation. And the fourthly, like we are going to create the partnership with the pharmacies and the prescription management and the delivery. And the last one is the basically implementation of advanced security measures and the data protection. So these are the basic benefits and the future scope that we are going to integrate in our application. So if you have any idea like this, or if you wanted to create this hospital management application, so you can just drop a mail on the contact@codersarts.com. So we are always here to help you. So thank you for being with us.